We're back with the Husqvarna 550 doing the rim sprocket replacement that I failed last time. I've got the new piston stop here, which we're gonna thread into the spark plug hole here. It just needs to go deep enough that it's actually gonna stop the piston as it rises. So as I now twist this clutch on the drive shaft, it's knocking against the piston stop up here to stop it. And we'll put our clutch removal tool on. And I'm going to the right to break this off here. And spin the clutch off. This is our clutch mechanism there. And then our clutch drum. It's got these splines on the inside that this rim sprocket rides on. And so this is a cheap part that's made to be easily replaced. And that's what we're replacing today. Here's the new rim sprocket. And there's the old rim sprocket. And you can see the dimpling all throughout. And that's why we're throwing that one away. While we're at it in here, we're going to take this needle bearing off. And this is one where we need to be sure that we don't lose it, because sometimes it can hang out inside of the clutch drum cover there. And you won't realize it's there, and it gets, oh, there it goes. And while we're at it, we're going to grab this white lithium grease and put a dab of that on our bearings. We want to work that grease into all the crevices. So I'm just rolling it around to get grease crammed in there as best I can, and it'll go back on the drive shaft right there. So now the new rim sprocket onto the clutch drum, and this back over the needle bearings, and the clutch into there. So now this is going to spin to the left to tighten up, and we don't need to worry about like cranking that back down with our clutch removal tool, because when you run the saw, the engine's going to be spinning and it will actually tighten itself against the brake band. So you just hand tighten that, that's no problem. And now we're back to removing our piston stop, and we're all set.